Choosing the right inventory and manufacturing platform can transform how businesses manage operations. In this video, we compare Digit, Fishbowl, and Katana. Modern businesses need tools that can manage inventory, warehouse operations, production workflows, and orders in one streamlined system. Digit is a modern platform, and it takes a more unified approach, combining procurement, warehouse management, planning, and production in one platform. Receiving items in Digit supports procurement with supplier, quantity, and lot tracking. Items can be moved internally within the same warehouse across bins or locations. The scorecard, or dashboard in Digit, provides real-time visibility into key operational metrics. Bins and locations track inventory organization. The picking view simplifies order fulfillment. The planning tool supports make-item production planning. Fishbowl is a widely used inventory management platform known for its integration with QuickBooks and strong warehouse management capabilities. Katana focuses on visual production planning and real-time inventory tracking, helping manufacturers manage production workflows efficiently. All three platforms offer strong inventory capabilities, but Digit stands out with its modern interface, strong traceability, and comprehensive warehouse and production management tools. If you're looking for a modern platform that combines inventory, warehouse, production, and order management in one system, Digit is definitely worth exploring.